Alright, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Trey TG coming at y'all with another video. It's just a little quick empty home tour of our new house on base here in Alaska. This is the, wait, it's a lot. It's the Bear Paw, oh, I'm getting a call. Hello? I keep getting these, since I got a new phone, I keep getting these random ass calls, and it's for stuff that I don't, it's like Medicaid, healthcare, stuff like that, stuff I don't really need. So yeah, I've been getting hella calls like that since I got this new number. But anyway, it's a quick home tour. This is the Bear Paw Northern Lights community here in Fairbanks, Alaska. It's extremely spacious, nice. Pretty much all the houses that we seen online were nice houses. The base housing is extremely nice out here. So I'm coming at y'all from the garage area. As you can see, starting off here. And I wish you guys could see it in person, because like if you look at it on pictures or video, it's like real, like, it's not as big as it seems, you know. So I'm gonna take it off of me and let y'all see everything else. So this is one of the storage rooms here in the garage. Look at that. And there's a step here, I didn't even know. But compared to the on-post housing in Germany, this is like 3 times the size of that. And we're extremely thankful for all this space. This is another storage little room in the garage area. Like, look at that. It's crazy, like the amount of space. And this is one of the newer houses as well. So we really like thankful for that. I gotta figure out what's back here. They do free trash pickup. I think they do it every Thursday. Breaker box right here. This is for the garage. This is like the locking and stuff. The actual garage remotes are in there on the kitchen table. So that's enough of that. Let's start this back here. Okay, so moving on to the kitchen area. Like I said, even the appliances, everything looks up to date, like brand new. It's more modernized, and we love it because we was able to actually pick this one and request it. And by the time we got off the flight, it was there. So this is some little stuff that we just ordered just to get us through the next couple of days, or at least a few weeks. So we're gonna probably be ordering groceries and stuff because the car is not here yet. But look at the pantry space. Like, this is like twice the size as the pantry we had in Germany. Look at that. The refrigerator looks a bit wider too, I want to say. This is one thing I do love about the sink, is that this bad boy, you can change it and it turns off. Like, that's lit. And it's crazy that stuff like that is amazing to me. And that's the 2 garage remotes. There's like a little gift bag that they left, and some housing information and everything. Some housing information and stuff like that, the keys, stuff like that. Here is what would be the dining room area. You got the chandeliers, you see? Like, everything is like, it's really, really nice. That's Kobe stuff. His bowl and water, food and water. And yeah, like I said, they I was supposed to get here at around like, wait, let's finish the tour first. Let's finish the tour and then I'll tell you about it. So, we got, don't mind my suitcases here. I still was like cleaning up and stuff. This is the downstairs family room area. It's nice and spacious. Here are the stairs to get to all of the bedrooms. All right. So, start off here. This is what I would believe is a linen closet. Or if you want to probably put rags and stuff like that there too. First bedroom. And even this is about as big as that room, that second bedroom we had in Germany. It's 2 doors, but I mean, it's the same closet. Up in there. It's a good amount of space as well. Okay. And now the next bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. You see it's snowing already in freaking October. Mid-October. Now I got some of the shoes that I bought from home here. It was in my suitcase and whatnot. And this is beneficial because we do have a lot of stuff. So when the rest of our stuff gets here, we should have enough space. It should be more than enough space. It's like a hallway up here. Here is the second bathroom. It's a half bath downstairs I didn't show yet, but this is the second one here. And the last bedroom, which is the master, is the biggest, of course. And there's Kobe. Say hi, Kobe. And he's like over it because it was a long day of traveling yesterday. And this is our sleeping area because we just got in at midnight last night. So working on getting on the furniture and stuff. Here is the master closet, which I'm sure my wife will take up all of the space, but it's like a whole nother room. That's how big it is. That's insane. So she should have more than enough space there for her stuff. And you have the master bath. I'll put some stuff on the sink already. There's lots of yeah, I love the his and her sinks. That was something that we always wanted. We got storage space down at the bottom of the cabinets also. And then nothing too crazy, just your regular shower and toilet. We don't have nothing to decorate and stuff yet. Like I said, all our stuff. We get our other company stuff Monday, and then household goods should come within the next 3 to 4 weeks, I want to say. So, next thing up is the upstairs family room, which I love how they, because the way the house is made, you see the little dents at the top, the fixture at the top. And in here we have the laundry room, which is super huge. Like, the space in here is incredible. Like I hope the picture and video does it a little bit of justice, but like even when we did the virtual home tour, she sent the pictures, even in the pictures it didn't look as big as when you get in person, and it's like twice the size. So I love that also. And what's two or three more things I gotta show y'all. This is the half bath. Nothing crazy, just a sink and a toilet, which is beneficial. You got 3 toilets, 2 people, so that's should work out in our favor. We only had 1 bathroom in Germany, so that was a hassle. Now I probably should have did this at the beginning, but this is like when you first walk in the house. They call it the artic room. Dust your feet, all that good stuff. To the right, once you walk in, it's like a coat closet, coat rack, or whatever you want to make it to be. But I'm assuming that's what they had it for. And last but not least, I'm showing y'all what the house looks like, which is one thing that caught my eye when we were looking at the house in here. Oh, they got 2 cars in the garage. That's awesome. Y'all, it's cold as fuck out here. Like no bullshit. I got on this sweater and this dual layer jacket, and I'm like just warm enough to come out here. But it's the rest of the community. And this is our home. Beautiful. Beyond blessed, man. Blessed, blessed, blessed. I know it also has a sensor when you walk up to the light as well. Alright guys, that does it for this empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and get to see what it's like out here in Alaska. I haven't been only but here and to like not even a grocery store, because they delivered the groceries, but we I just went to a gas station to grab some snacks last night when we got back. So it was super late, but I only been here and there, and that's it. So I'll be definitely showing you guys more of Alaska as time progresses on and as we get our household goods and all that good stuff like that. I did want to tell y'all about the journey, because that was a journey. We had to because of security and everything, I had to get on the next flight, because I got there, by the time I got done with everything, I got there within like 10 minutes. They had already shut the doors and everything. So it was a lot I had to do that day. Like I had to check all the luggage, then I had to turn in a rental. Like it was a lot. I had the rental because we had just got back from, I had just got back from Japan, and I didn't have a way from the airport that night, and then I had to go to the airport the day after that to come to Alaska. So that's why I ended up getting a rental. But had I not had the rental, I definitely would have made the flight. Or if they would have hurried up and checked my bag, because I had the PS5 in there, they were like being real extra about the PS5 for some reason on the way out. When I left for Japan, it was still Delta, it was the same airline, everything. They just let the bag go through. But for some reason, it was like, oh, you got a PS5. They took the PS5 out, and I'm just waiting there like 10. I know it's like an extra 10 minutes, and then it's just like slowly going through my bag. And then when they get done, they're like, "What time's your flight?" And then I told them the time. They're like, "Oh, hurry up, pack your stuff and go." Like, you could have just seen I had what I had and checked it and then moved on from that. But everything happens for a reason. We was able to still get the keys to the house and everything. She left it in the Dropbox for me when we got here. It was a little after midnight. Originally, we were supposed to be here, do the house tour with her, and then get the keys and everything. But I had reached out to them after it happened, and they worked with me extremely well. So no complaints there. But all in all, we made it safe. Even though we had to flew from RDU to LAX, had like a 6-hour layover at LAX, flew from LAX to Seattle, had like another 2.5 layover, and then from Seattle to here. And then we had to get the bags and everything because the bags was already there because we were supposed to be on the earlier flight. So it was an adventure yesterday, all day traveling, and yeah, I'm pretty much trying to rest today and then hopefully tomorrow and the rest of this weekend too, because it's been a journey. So that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed like seeing like what Alaska looks like, at least the housing for starters. But like I said, I'll be bringing y'all guys more content with what we're doing in Alaska, different stuff like that, and then the fitness content, all that stuff, lifestyle stuff is coming. Just be patient. All right. Well, it's your boy Trey TG. I'm out. Peace. Love y'all.